1, 2, 3, 4, 5. IPA.
This is our beer.
This is our beer. And how are we going to split this beer, Phil? It sounds like you want it and I want it. So, what is this beer?
This is our very first brew using your brand new kettle.
Yeah, it's an all-grain brew. And it's a very simple all-grain brew, as you probably can remember.
If you want to check out the process, check out parts 1, 2 and 3. So we're going to do part 4 is taste it.
The exciting part, yeah.
I'm thrilled about this now because I've never done this whole grain business before. So
this might be the end of Phil's brewing experience.
so I'm going to let you open it up.
Should we open it?
You did the honours.
Yeah. So the first thing we don't know about is the carbonation levels. I mean, we get a soon taste for that, how much it froths up, and so this is the first sort of experience. One thing we learned from the previous session is when you do the labels, don't use the sort of liquid glue. I think the Pritt sticks work a lot better because as you can see, it's mashed up.
Some of the solid glue instead of the liquid glue. It's
So that'll be our next learning from this session. So I'm gonna take a go. You can remember the spin caps.
Ooh,
This one first.
Oh, yes, that wasn't bad.
Well,
Okay, colour. Let's have a look. Okay, bit in your glass, Dan, bit in your glass.
so this is like what we call it is American Pale Ale.
Okay, so cheers,
This
Dan.
is still fizzing now.
Right, are we having a smell?
Ooh.
That smells quite good.
Yeah.
Okay. Seems on my nose is bigger than yours. I should be able to get more of it.
It does smell like a good beer, like this.
Yeah. Okay, so colour. What do we think of the colour?
The colour.
A little bit of cloud in there. Is that okay?
It does look like pale ale to me.
Yeah.
It's with this pale hops, so it looks like a pale ale. I don't want to zoom up the camera so we can have a bit better view of that. Slightly cloudy, but not too bad. It looks like the sort of thing that I could buy in the pub. Carbonation levels, just put it up to light.
There's a few bubbles going on in
Yeah,
there.
it's mild carbonation.
Consider we've carbonated this by putting the sugar into the bottling barrel and then not in each. If you want to see the bottling, check out part 4 of the video.
Yeah. Hope you like the smash design.
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna have a taste of this.
Tasting. Oh, that is very pleasant.
It is good.
Look, I'm not saying I'm shocked because I knew you'd brew it, but that is very nice.
It's got a nice. Consider how simple the beer is. You know, we're talking about a single grain and a single hop in there.
And the carbonation level is perfect for me. We were having a chat a few weeks ago.
Yeah.
And they're saying some of the
and we took
beers are too fizzy.
Yeah, and we took it on the range of sort of pale ales of range
from the
we
book.
looked at the amount of sugar we put in there. Yeah, this is certainly a nice pale ale. It's a simple and complex, but
if you served that to people in a pub, you wouldn't get that returned. People would.
No, yeah, that's better than some things you get in the pub.
Definitely.
Yeah.
I think it's all down to your sterilisation. A session on that.
Yeah, it's nice. Good job we got a few more of them then, Phil.
Oh, that's very pleasant. So
you are surprised, aren't you? You are genuinely surprised.
Genuinely, I didn't think it would be as good as that.
I think the question for me now is, because we had that conversation about its AVB, the amount of alcohol in the grain. And you can remember when we did that final hydrometer reading, we took it out the last dregs of the.
Yeah. So you think it might be higher?
So I think it might be higher. That tastes.
We calculated at what, 3.7 and.
Yeah, 3.2 I think it was. It was very low. So I reckon that's more 4.5, 5. It doesn't taste that.
Is there a way of measuring the alcohol now? It's finished.
I don't think there is because I think we should have done
how many bottles we drink before we fall over.
Yeah, they are tests. We can probably do. that'd be another video film, I think.
So what was we doing? Oh yeah, if you want to check out the final hydrometer reading and refractometer readings, that's
Part 3?
in part 3.
Where we bottled it, yeah.
Part 3.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the end of part
So-
3. Bottling's part 4, and now we're tasting part 5.
So I
This
think-
is how many weeks later?
This is 4 weeks since brew day
4 weeks is brew
and
day.
2 weeks since bottling day. So it's still a young beer. Still got a few more weeks or months in it to age. But yeah, it's certainly first impressions of it is very nice.
That's brilliant.
And
So will it improve now over time, or?
we'll get a slightly different taste to it. So I think it's something that we should monitor. We try not to drink it all at once. I think if we can last another month out of this, we'll get a slightly
Yeah,
different
well,
taste.
it's slightly different. I taste of beer. I like a more of a bitter, where you're more of an IPA. Well, you like an IPA anyway.
I drink most beers.
No. Well,
Yeah.
wrap this up.
It's a thumbs up for me.
Thumbs up for me. Cheers, Dan.
Yeah. Cheers, Rob.